Hello, good morning here once again. I welcome you all for the fourth section, that is novels. So here in the previous lecture we have seen the development of the 18th century, where the through novel was the prominent, okay, and it highlighted the social, political, cultural happening and the scientific progress. Further, there are various novelists who has given their great contribution, just like in 1678 John Bunyan, he wrote Pilgrim's Progress, okay, Apparvence 1688, Orocon, which gave a colorful traditional start for the English novel, and it was followed by Daniel Defoe Robinson Crusoe's Mal Flanders, the novel which gave a new start. Daniel Defoe first published Mal Flanders in 1722. Jonathan Swift's Gulliver Travels, which was famous for the satire, and there were other major novelists who gave a great contribution and a great start in 18th century, like Samuel Richardson's novel Pamela, okay, which was a pastoral novel which is given in the form of letter writing, okay. Henry Fielding, Lawrence Stern, and many more. Their hard work was a great contribution, and this tradition were continued with the same dedication. Were written by the loyal, reliable, hard-working writers like Charles Dickinson, Walter Scott, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Horace Walpole, Thomas Hardy, Wilkie Lee Collins, G.H. Wells. The 20th century novelists were the modern, which had an idea with the modern innovative styles and the new techniques and the widened angles, has given a new upliftment and a new growth towards the novel, which highlighted, or we can say, the mirror of the society. Further, I would like to say that the other angles were widened by the other novelists like E.M. Forster, James Joyce, Joseph Conrad, Henry James, George Orwell, Graham Greene. As Graham Greene is one of the best novelists who has given a very fine dedication and contribution to this field. D.H. Lawrence, William Golding, Anthony Burgess. These all novelists highlighted the political, social, and psychological other modern issues through their work, that is novel. Okay. Further, there were the novelists who were immigrants. They just like Salman Rushdie from India, V.S. Naipaul from Caribbean nations, and many more. Now these novelists also gave a lot. Further, there are also women novelists that we cannot neglect. They have also done a great contribution. So here we can see the text has highlighted you in a short way all the one who has done a start for the term, for the thing that is novel is the aspect where it highlighted the social status, social conditions through their work, okay. Now we can say they were one of the famous novel, that is gothic novels, okay, which was one of it famous was Frankenstein, given by Mary Shelley, which was again one fine novel. If you have gone through by reading itself, you will find how interesting it is, and what a great work. Then further it comes Jane Austen. We all know Jane Austen, the one who was a leading person, ruling the minds of the people through that period. Her novel was the one which holded the people. Further, Bronte sisters and many more who has done incomparable contribution to the society. And further, The Wuthering Heights was a novel given by Emily Brontë, okay. Jane Eyre, the novel by Charlotte Bronte and Mary Ann Evans, known by the pen name George Eliot, as an English novelist. Virginia Woolf, we all know as the pioneer of stream of conscious novel. We are having the text, okay, for you. The prose is there by Virginia Woolf. So very finely, this all the writers who gave their contribution through the novels highlighted the reality, the image of the society. Further, I would like to share that Agatha Christie was an English writer. For 66 detective novels she has written, okay. 14 short story collection is based on the crime, and further a lot of things are being given by them. The Hercule Poirot and Miss Marple. The detective Hercule Poirot was a detective character, a British writer famous for long running character, almost 33 novels. Miss Marple is the best evergreen detective created by Agatha Christie, okay. Harpy Lee, and many more. The Alice Walker, all this has credited a higher position and started a tradition related to the prosperity of the novel. So here, till now, we have seen this all the Western novelists, what were their contribution, how the literary world started. This literature has given us a lot. It has it has a hold which can change our life, okay, because whatever is given in the novel is the true reality of the society. So all the novels, all the writers which name I have taken now from your text is again a interesting aspect for you all, so that you can understand little bit history. Now in the next lecture I am going to deal with Indian scenario, where we are going to deal with Indian writers, what they have done, what were their contribution, how they highlighted the Indian image of that period. Okay, so there are R.K. Narayan, Rajaram Rao, Mulkraj Anand, and many more. Amitav Ghosh, Vikram Seth, and many more are there. So further in the next lecture we are going to deal with the Indian writers. Okay, so thank you and welcome you all.